Does the body make its own water? Well, let's find out. This is an excerpt from a book called The Dry Fasting Formula by Divya Nambiar. And it says in this book, dry fasting's magic water mechanism. Water is the stuff of life. So how does your body handle this internal drought during dry fasting? Well, it makes its own water. Imagine if your caveman ancestors just rolled over and died in their cave when it was too hot outside, too cold, or too many woolly mammoths outside. Without this ability to create our own water, humans wouldn't be alive. The body has learned to thrive in harsh conditions. So when resources are scarce, it shifts its metabolic pathways to make water. However, your body is constantly making some water. Around 400 milliliters a day is made through fat oxidation. The big trigger for water creation happens when your brain senses that your body is dehydrated. When glycogen in the liver and muscles have been depleted and there is no more fuel for your cells, your blood gets thicker because there are additional solids inside it. Your brain then triggers your pituitary gland to release ADH, an anti-diuretic hormone. ADH stimulates the adrenal medulla in the kidneys, and epinephrine is released. Epinephrine then cues lipolysis, fat breakdown. The hormone lipase chews into the triglycerides in your fat cells, spitting out fatty acids and glycerol. This surge of extra fatty acids also increases ketone production during dry fasting. Fatty acids and glycerol become glucose and ketones in the liver. However, not all fatty acids become ketones. Most fatty acids circulate freely in your bloodstream and go straight into all of your cells. This is where it gets exciting. Inside the mitochondria of every cell, the chain of the fatty acid breaks down into carbon and hydrogen atoms. This means the excess hydrogen in every cell combines with oxygen from every breath you take to make H2O. So all 37 trillion cells in your body are making their own water. You can thank former NASA space scientist August Dunning for the above molecular insight. So I guess it does take a rocket scientist. When you dry fast, your body gets into ketosis and breaks down fat to release hydrogen, which binds with the oxygen in your blood to create water for every cell. Shout out to Divya Nambiar for this book, The Dry Fasting Formula. You can follow her on her Instagram at Hack Fasting.